In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and update a Klaviyo profile. Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing tool, and being able to manage your contact profiles effectively is crucial for personalizing communication and optimizing your marketing strategy. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, let's locate the audience section. You'll find it on the left panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. This panel is where you can access various features and settings within Klaviyo, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Click on Audience, and you will notice a menu expand. From the options that appear, go ahead and select Profiles. Now, you're in the Profiles section where you've pulled up a comprehensive list of member profiles. These profiles are part of your contact lists and segments in Klaviyo. This is the central hub for managing your contacts, where you can see all the people who make up your email lists and campaigns. Each profile represents an individual contact, complete with their information and engagement history. To edit a profile, simply click on any individual profile you wish to update. Once you're in, you have the flexibility to add more details and information about that contact. This functionality allows you to enhance the profile by including additional data fields and notes that might help in segmenting your audience better. You can even add custom properties, which provide more context and useful information that aids you in sorting and understanding your audience better. Customization is key in Klaviyo, allowing you to personalize your marketing efforts based on the information you gather. Whether you need to add a birth date, a note about their preferences, or any other specific data, it can be done here. This level of customization can dramatically improve how you communicate with your audience. It's also worth mentioning that any changes you make to a profile in Klaviyo are automatically saved. This feature ensures that you don't have to worry about losing any edits you make, streamlining your workflow and giving you peace of mind. And that brings us to the end. Updating a Klaviyo profile is straightforward but essential for maintaining clean and actionable data. Remember, regularly updating and editing your profiles can greatly enhance your communication strategies and the relationships you build with your audience. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and insightful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to get the most out of your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.